Why can't we just run and play? Matt stood here, Ria stood there. Same bright sun, same fresh air. He likes mangoes, she does too. So what's the thing that splits them two? A line on the ground, drawn so deep, but hearts don't listen. Hearts don't keep. No more lines, no more walls. We can hear each other's calls. Hand in hand we will stand. Kindness grows across the land. No more lines wash away. Let's be friends again today. Side by side we will shine. Love is stronger than a line. Raindrops fall, tap, 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 washing off that silly map. Step by step she walks ahead. Come with me is what she said. Oh no, a cry, a little sound. A tiny puppy stuck on the ground. No time to think, no time to wait. They both run in, they don't hesitate. No more lines, no more fear. Helping hands will bring us near.